come and take a look at this. This is a 2024 24 registration, Defender 110, but it's a hardtop commercial. It's a D300 X-Dynamic HSE with 18,000 miles on, in Santorini black, with a massive spec. I'm not just talking factory spec, I'm talking about the bespoke styling. Some from Urban, some from HAWKE. It just looks amazing. It's then got the all-important air suspension. This one, although it's a hardtop commercial, somebody has taken the time and the money to put in the rear seat. So this one actually has 6 seats. How has it become 6? There's 3 in the back and there's 3 in the front, because this car also has the jump seat. Now let me just tell you a bit about the way the car looks, the styling and all the extras that's been added to it. So first of all, Santorini black is a metallic black. A 2024-24 means you have warranty up until 2027 with Land Rover, and the fact the car's done 18,000 miles, it means that the condition is absolutely spot on, exterior and interior. Black styling, so the car's fully de-chromed in every single way, black badges, grills, inserts, etc. Because it's the X-Dynamic HSE, you've got the Matrix upgraded LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights. You've then got this beautiful bonnet decal. You've also got the 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, LED front fog lights, and like I said, all this is fully blacked out. You've then got the extended arch kit, again in gloss black. You've got the Expedition roof rack just there. The 22-inch urban style matte black wheels. Mud flaps, side steps, black side venting and checker plates on the front. You've then got the deployable side ladders, comfort access. But then take a look inside. There's the jump seat in the middle, and because this is the HSE, you've got leather, that's full leather, electric memory seat. This car also has the Meridian upgraded sound system, the bigger screen touchscreen media, ambient lighting package, and you have the ClearSight rear view mirror. Heated seats, cold seats, and this is a fantastic little touch. The backdrop here on this one is that lovely dark finish. Normally it comes in the light finish. I've mentioned the ambient lighting already. More leather on the top, on the bottom, glove box, like I said, air suspension, and because of the HSE, you get adaptive cruise control, you get heated steering wheel, full digital dashboard. And then take a look at this. There's the rear seats. That's full leather interior with Isofix attachments as well. The plastics have been taken out of the back, and you have got the handles to close the door with. There is charging ports on the back of that third seat. Lots of space for all your friends and family. Like I said, this comes down. There's a rear spoiler, hard back spare wheel cover, LED rear lighting system, and then you've got all this lockable space. Underneath there you have more space as well. Like I said, because the car has air suspension, you can drop that back end to make it a little bit easier to get things in and out. The mudflaps are there to keep it nice and tidy. The bodywork is in a very, very good order. You've got your hazard warning indicators on the wing mirrors, and then again the driver's seat, the steering column, everything is as you would expect it to be. This is genuinely a great car. It's a hardtop Defender commercial with lots and lots of extras. If you were to buy yourself a standard car, you'd spend yourself easily between £8,000 and £10,000 making it look like this. So this is the ready-made thing, but the biggest selling point on this car is not just the way it looks, the fact that it's done 18,000 miles, and it's the D300 X-Dynamic HSE. That's what's really special about this particular car. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.